Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making a bacon cheeseburger pie. I'm going to make this gluten-free friendly, so I am making the pie crust from scratch. I have a mixture of all-purpose gluten-free flour and part oat flour, only because I didn't have quite enough of the gluten-free flour. I'm going to go ahead and just mix those around gently together, and I'm going to throw in about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. I have some plant-based butter that I am using. I have 6 tablespoons diced up nice and cold, and I did use about a cup and a half of the flour. I think I forgot to mention how much. I'm just going to go ahead and let that mix around just like I would with a pie crust that is non-gluten free. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of milk. I am using coconut milk. You can use oat milk or whatever milk you prefer. Just to kind of bring that together a little bit and make it a little easier to work into a ball. Just going to work this into a little bit of a ball. I'll wrap this up and put it in the freezer for a few minutes. Got a pan here lined with parchment paper that I'm going to bake my bacon on. I do want to hold out just a few strips full because I think I'm going to do those as kind of a lattice type thing on the top of the pie. Then the rest of this I'm going to chop up into smaller bits because it is going to go into the filling of the pie. Just kind of separate those a little bit and toss them on here so that they can bake with the strips. While my bacon is in the oven, I'm going to get started with some ground beef here. This is probably about 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm just going to brown that. Okay, I'm going to season. I'm going to use this seasoning because I feel like it would give it a little bit of maybe a almost like a grilled burger taste.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be. I just wish I had seen.
Thanks so much for watching. Happy eating.